Hey babes, it's your girl Susie and we back at it with another one. Y'all, he is so adorable. Oh my god, little chocolate baby. I just love making little kids clothes because it just be melting my heart. It gives me baby fever. Like I can't wait to have mine. I want me a little boy. But anyways, let's get into it. So y'all, we're gonna go ahead and start tracing out our patterns. Y'all, I like to use clothes. You can buy your own patterns if you want to use patterns, or you can use what you have at home. So sometimes, like for orders, if I don't have like what I am making, I will go to the store and purchase something similar, and that's exactly what I did, and I returned it after I was done using it. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and label it front and back, and you're gonna be needing 2 of these. So you're gonna go ahead and cut that out. Y'all, I don't even use scissors like that no more. But so y'all see that top layer part of the shorts, it was actually too much. I cut too much because I thought about something afterwards. So as you can see now, I am cutting it off because we didn't need it. So right here I am just measuring the top of it because this is going to be the top of the shorts, and I am going to go ahead and cut that out. If you're still here, go ahead and subscribe. I'm just showing y'all right now. Put that to the side and we're going to cut everything out. So right here what I just did was measure the little stripes on the shorts so I can know like a little nice little width that I can go by to follow on the side of the shorts. And right here we are going in with the robe, and as you can see I'm just making it longer than what the jacket is and just tracing like so. Like really simple, y'all. Like it's not rocket science, it's honestly. But we're gonna go ahead and fold this in half, do the folding method, and then go ahead and trace and cut that out as well, like so. And be sure to stay to the end of the video so y'all can see the full pictures, and it's a story behind this outfit, a beautiful story. Okay, so now that we got that, we're gonna go ahead and do the hoodie. So y'all, my camera was zoomed in too much so y'all can see, but I did do this on the fold method. So the other side is folded already. So we just gonna trace this and then just trace like around the hoodie and cut it out. And once I cut it out, you will be able to see what I mean by folded, because the other 2 pieces are going to still be together, if you catch my drift, like so. So it's all one piece. So this is the front and the back panels. So now what I am doing is taking the shorts, and we is just going to sew down the sides of the shorts like this, y'all. Don't sew anymore, just the sides right here on both sides. And then we're going to go ahead and flip them like this, and we're going to sew down the crotch area. Okay, sis, so they coming along. This is what the shorts should be looking like. So now we're gonna go ahead and cut out the side so we can add like the red stripe on the side. Y'all, this is my first time doing this, so this is my way. This is not the way that you have to do it. No, I am not a specialist, but this is just my way, and it worked out for me. So I'm going ahead and cut out those 2 pieces, and then right here is going to be like some extra seam allowance, and also you can see where I'm marking that part. I'm going to hem up the bottom of the shorts for the cleaner look, and right here I am just going to pin the red and the black together, and we just going to literally sew that down on both sides like this. So just pin down one side at a time, and make sure you put your marking so you can know where it goes. And it's already looking good. And now we're going to go ahead and sew the other side together. And this is what it's looking like. Now it's time to hem the top of the shorts. So you're going to fold twice like I'm showing you here. And this is what it should look like. And then you're just going to literally sew across that. So as you can see, I have the two markings right here. You don't want to sew right there. So basically I'm going to sew down both sides, but as you can see, I'm lifting up my needle and I am going to skip over the part where I marked, and we're just going to sew down, and you're going to do the other side. But on the other side you can sew the whole side. We just need that one spot. So once we flip it right here and sew it down to the shorts, we'll still have that little opening so we can add the elastic band. What I just did right there was I just pinned both of like the lining parts together so we can make sure everything is centered. And as you can see, I am just pinning this part around the shorts, and I keep looking so I can make sure it's where it's supposed to be. For things like this is when I wish I had a serger so it can give the inside a more cleaner look, because you know the silk, the strings be hanging a lot. So right here I'm just hemming up the bottom of the shorts, and the shorts is almost complete. We're just going to go ahead and add our elastic band in there, and you want to make sure you cut it right, because that's where you're going to get that scrunchy look. So right here I really like how I did this little technique. I'm gonna start using this more. It looks nice and neat, even though you're not gonna see it, but it's still super nice and neat. I'll be seeing that on some of my little shorts, so I did it on these. So now with the robe, and let's get it. So I just pointed to the areas where you're gonna sew. This is what it's looking like, and we're gonna put that to the side and work on these sleeves. So y'all, I don't think I showed y'all how to cut out the sleeves, but y'all seen on previous videos how I do so. And you're just gonna take the little red piece, fold it in half, and pin it to the sleeve, and we're gonna sew it down. So I just folded the sleeve in half and marked right there so I can get the center part, so we can center it up right here. And you're going to put the right sides together, pin around the sleeve, and then we're going to sew that. Y'all, I really enjoy what I do, and also I really been enjoying vlogging. If y'all been tuning in to the vlogs, leave me a red heart down in the comment section. Okay, everything's coming together. So now we just gonna sew down the sleeve and the side of the robe. And if y'all still here, comment down below some videos that y'all want to see. Make sure y'all subscribe, and make sure y'all stay to the end of the video. Oh my god, look at the little baby sleeve. Y'all, I was so obsessed. Like, this is one of my favorites. So now with the hood, we just gonna sew just this area right here, because remember I was telling y'all we did the flip method and that part was already folded. So now we're just gonna attach the hood, and you want to make sure you attach it properly so everything is aligned correctly, and just literally sew around the hood. So right here, this is the part we just going to, just like we did the sleeve, but this is just going to be the part for the robe to give it that boxer look. I don't know what you want to call it, but as you can see, this is it, and we're just going to sew it all around the jacket. But y'all, his name is Bear, and he's a fighter, y'all. He's been battling a lot since the time he was born, and still now. So his mom wanted to go in with like a UFC theme, and his dad is also a UFC fighter as well. And she wanted something to represent his strength and happiness throughout the whole process. So we went in with the boxing theme, y'all. I love this idea, like, and it's like the fact that it had a meaning to it, and I was able to put this together for her was beautiful. But this is the final and finishing look. I hope y'all love it. He was so adorable and he was so photo ready. Like, look at him. And he loved Polo. Polo definitely loved him too. He was like so interested. But make sure y'all subscribe, follow, and like for more videos like this. I love you guys oh so much, and I'm out. Bye. Peace.